Alright guys, so I have just been putting it off and putting it off. Getting started on something is always the hardest, is it not? So today I'm gonna build something. So just a real quick sort of overview of what I'm gonna make here. It's gonna be a napkin holder, and the sides are gonna be like mountain peaks. 2 or 3, something like that. But we'll see. I want them to be kind of random so the sides aren't gonna match. I'm gonna get these boards undone here. And we can get rolling. I'm thinking we'll go 2.5 inches for the base. I have consulted with my brother and he says that the peaks should actually be the same, identical on both halves, which, fair enough. So I'm gonna make some measurements here and we'll get our first cut out of the way. So I also looked it up. Napkins apparently are typically 6 inches when they're all folded up. So I'm gonna make it 5 inches long. That way there's some overhang, you know, so you can grab the napkins easily. And away we go. First cut down. So this is going to be the base. It's going to get cut down though. For starters, I'm just gonna shave a little bit off one side before we actually measure it because they're really rough. So we will do that. Done. Now we got a nice smooth edge on that side, and now let's measure the 2.5 inches. And there's our napkin holder base. All right, so now we're gonna use this wider board here to cut the pieces for the sides. Second half. And like we did for that other piece, I'm gonna just like lightly shave down the edges of these so that they're smooth because they're rough right now. Just like a hair off of it, you know. And just like that, we got all 3 pieces for the napkin holder. As you can see, I've got my 3 pieces here. I went ahead and cut both of these at an angle on either side. So we're looking at something like this, okay? But what I need to do is make peaks on that so that it looks like a mountain. that's what I'm thinking for my peak here. I don't know how well you can see that. Got a line there, up, down, up. Looking good. On the home stretch. Alrighty, man. Alright, y'all, we are on the home stretch. Gonna get it assembled. Okay. Looking good. Okay, gonna get some nails in it here. Really don't want to mess this up. Cool. Cool. All right. That's it. Gonna leave it to sit for a while. I have to check the glue bottle, see how long it's supposed to take to dry. But I will catch you guys then. This sat overnight drying. I'm gonna get out of the clamps here and shave off this one last bit here, just so it's angled like the rest of it. And then we're gonna get some oil on it, get it all shined up, looking good, and yeah. All right, got it all sanded down, looking good. Let's get the oil on it. Alright guys, that is a wrap on the napkin holder project. This was a lot of fun, and I honestly cannot wait to make more of these because I absolutely loved how this turned out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Cue the epic napkin holder edit.